Here we are going to demonstrate how to obtain the quartiles and the minimum and the maximum values for a data set, a sample size. All right, these are the 5 numbers needed for a box and whiskers diagram. The lowest value, the lower quartile, the median, the upper quartile, and the highest value. Take, for instance, you have a sample size of, let's say, 20 values, 123, okay, 145, 162, 163, 162, 177, 115, 110, for example, 112. That's just random numbers. Yeah. What I'm going to experiment obtaining random numbers using Excel equal random between random numbers. Let's say between let's say 110, comma 156 close bracket. Let's see what happens. Enter. And let me just drag this down. Voila. So that's a way to get random numbers. Okay, so 20, a sample of 20. And you want the minimum, on the median, on the lower quartile, okay, that's called Q1, median Q2, and you want the upper quartile Q3. What I'm noticing is that the numbers are changing, maximum value. So what I observe is that the numbers are changing. As we are. But it doesn't matter, it's an exercise. I will look into that. So to get the minimum value, so we can call it statistics from the sample, because any number you calculate from a sample is called a statistic. Any number that you calculate from a population is called a parameter. So these are sample statistics, okay? Statistics. So that when you want the minimum value of these data values, you press equal and you type M for mean and double click on mean. And this, you want the minimum value from A1 to A20, so you highlight it and then you close your bracket and you click enter. All right. Let's say you want the lower quartile, equal Q4 quartile, you double click on quartile, and the array is from A1 to A20, okay, A1 to A20, okay, and you type comma, and because it's the lower quartile, you double click on first quartile, you close the bracket, which is 1, so you can type in 1 or you can double click lower quartile, first quartile, 21, 120.5. But what I observe every time these values are changing, any so what I can do is to keep these numbers fixed. I go to a new sheet of numbers. Let me copy these numbers, paste it, in sheet 2, but I want to paste it now without the function, paste it normal. paste special, just paste, or it's still giving me the formula. I just want to paste it without the formula. Paste formulas, paste, keep source formatting, other paste options, paste link, paste picture. Or just paste another picture. I want to paste it without the formulas and numbering format. Keep source formatting. Keep source formatting. No, I don't want the source formatting. I just want to paste. No borders. I don't want the formula. I just want it to paste. Other paste options. Paste the link. Oh, no, that's not what I want. I wanted to copy this and paste it without the function, you know. Sometimes Excel normally just, you have to be patient editing sometimes. I don't want the function. I want to paste it without, or probably the special type of copy, I guess. Let me go back and probably the way I copy it. Special type of copy. Just copy the numbers alone, I guess. Let me go to copy as picture, copy. Or it's just two types of copy we have. So it must be the paste option. Paste, just paste. Paste values. Try all of them. Paste function. Paste number formatting. Paste brush. Paste keep source with waves. What all of these numbers are for. Paste 1, 2. Oh, okay. So is this one that we have to use? The paste 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now these numbers are just merely numbers. So we go to type in the minimum value here. So they see they are not changing anymore. We want the lower quartile, we want the median, we want the upper quartile, and we want the maximum value. Okay, so therefore now these are the statistics. So as we see now, anytime you do some calculations from a sample size, let's say a sample size of 20, the numbers that you calculate are called statistics. But if you do some calculations from a population, then this will be called a parameter. So you want the minimum value, just type equal, and you type M for min, and you just double click on min. You indicate where you want the minimum values from A1 to A20, and then you close your bracket, A1 to A20. Go there, you close your bracket, and you press enter, and it will provide you the minimum value. You want the lower quartile, you type equal and type Q, double click on quartile, you indicate from where, from A1 to A20, and then you type comma, and it's the first quartile, you can type 1, close bracket, enter. Okay, so what happens here? Quartile from A1. Let's go over that again. equal Q quartile. I always say a mistake is always a form of A1 to A20, comma, you want the first quartile, all right? You type 1 and then you close bracket and you enter. Okay. The median of Q2 equal. You can type M for median is there, or you can type Q, it's up to you. And then if you type Q, you indicate also A1 to A20. When you type comma now, you have to look for 2. So you can either type the 2 or double click on median. It will indicate the 2, look, the 2 is right there. And right away, it closes the bracket automatically and it gives you the median. Do the same for quartile, something similar. Q for quartile, double click on quartile, indicate which values, which set of values, comma, and you look for third, or you just type 3, close bracket, and you click enter. Maximum equal M for max, double click on max, indicate from where to where, A1 to A20, close bracket, and then here you have those 5 numbers ready to go for your box and whiskers using Excel. So we went over how to obtain a random set of data, but working on the numbers, I realized they are changing. So we experimented, we copied and pasted, and to copy and paste without carrying the formula. All right, if you copy and you like to paste without carrying the formula, you go to paste 1 to 3, and then these numbers are transferred without the formula, and then you can work with them. All right, in sheet 3 if you want to. Yeah. Excel is very useful to do a lot of things.